Nobara versus Bazzite versus Pop! OS. So here's a comparison between Nobara, Bazzite, and Pop! OS so you can decide which Linux distro is best for you, especially if you're into gaming, general use, or a mix of both. So first we need to go with Nobara. It's best for gamers and content creators who want performance out of the box and don't mind Fedora-based tooling. It's good for a smaller community than big mainstream distros. It's a good choice if you want a Fedora distro that's turned for gaming without heavy configuration. Next we have Bazzite. Bazzite is best for gamers wanting a console-like Steam experience on a PC or handheld. It is designed similar to Steam OS but Fedora-based. It uses an immutable system model like Silverblue, which can make system changes tricky. It's a good choice if you want a polished Steam-first distro without a lot of setup. Next we have Pop! OS. It's best for gamers who also want a general-purpose Linux OS that's easy to use. It has a great NVIDIA and AMD support with dedicated ISO options. It has hybrid graphics profiles so you can switch between GPU modes. It's a great balanced choice for solid gaming support and everyday usability. So if you focus on pure gaming with minimal setup, then Bazzite. If you love Steam and want it tuned for you. If you want gaming tweaks plus flexibility, then Nobara is for better performance and Proton support. And if you want gaming plus general computing, then Pop! OS for a user-friendly and versatile system. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.